3, 2, 1, start. It had been conveyed to the appellant's counsel that the appeal appeared to have been preferred only with a view to harass the respondent wife. Stop. It had been made clear to the counsel that the present appeal is an abuse of the process of court, and pressing of the appeal would invite exemplary costs if ultimately the court does not agree with his submissions. Stop. Today again, before the hearing started, it was made clear to the appellant as well as his counsel that in case the court does not find merit in the submissions of the appellant, he would be subjected to exemplary costs for wasting the time of the court by pressing a frivolous appeal. Stop. Despite the aforesaid notice, the appellant and his counsel have chosen to proceed with the matter. Stop. It is frivolous case like the present which result in unnecessary wastage of time of the court. Stop. No doubt a litigant who has right of appeal is entitled to exhaust the said right. Stop. However, the court is not bound to, in every matter, admit the appeal, and if on initial evaluation of the appeal it appears that the same is absolutely meritless, the same may be disposed of summarily at the stage of admission itself. Para. In these circumstances, I am inclined to dismiss the present appeal with exemplary costs of rupees 5 lakhs to be paid to the Delhi Legal Services Authority. Stop. The appellant admittedly owns a 50 square yards plot which would be his share in a joint holding in respect of an agricultural land situated at village Malhera, district Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. Para. The submission of learned counsel for the appellant that since December 2002 the respondent wife had deserted the appellant husband without any just cause certainly cannot afford justification to the appellant husband to conduct himself in the manner that he has done. Stop. If he had any grievance with regard to the alleged desertion by the respondent wife, it was for him to seek appropriate legal remedy by either seeking restitution of conjugal rights or to himself seek a decree of divorce on the basis of the alleged desertion by the respondent wife. Stop. However, he could not have started living with another woman and begotten a child with her. Para. By way of present petition, the petitioner seeks setting aside of the order passed by respondent number 1, wide letter number TC/222 dated 1/7/2008, whereby the application of the petitioner for grant of leasehold rights in respect of quarter bearing number 1083/3, Crowal Bagh, New Delhi was rejected. Stop. Further, the petitioner prays for cancelling the lease deed dated 1/9/2008 executed by respondent number 1 in favor of respondent number 2 in respect of the aforesaid property and direction to respondent number 1 to consider the application of the petitioner afresh in the light of declared policy of the Government of India. Stop. Briefly recapitulating the facts as averred in the writ petition are that the petitioner had been in possession of a portion of the premises bearing number 1083/3, Crowal Bagh, New Delhi for the last about 40 years. Over.